Hey guys, George MGR Performance here. I did a little bit more work on the exhaust before we digitize for the CNC program. I was on the phone today with my friend that has a Centroid. We're trying to work out all the details. So I just cleaned it out a little bit with a sand roll as well. So basically, I lowered the guide a bit. I gave it a little bit more area here, and I actually raised the roof just a touch. Okay, I don't know if you can tell the difference here. Let's see. Show you guys, I'm a righty, I'm using my left. So let's say 1.119. So I should be using my right hand instead. So 50 thou. 50 thou, the port has been raised. And 1560. $90 thou wider and 50 thou taller. Okay. Let's see the ball area as well. You can see I kind of narrowed down the guide and give it that like the bullet shot look. So the valve job is still not done. Next step, valve job on both, reblend and reflow test. Hopefully it'll go 250 now. It was going 243. I want to see a 250 because I've gotten that before and more. But my exhaust port is much smaller than my usual. You can see the imprint of the gasket here. I could have raised it much more, and I could have went a bit, but I'm happy with the way the exhaust port looks. It worked great, NA, stroker, turbo, everything. And then we can do a little bit more fine tuning for supercharged application by putting a bigger exhaust valve and opening the throat and ball area. So let me clean it up, put it on the bench and see what happens. All right guys, George MGR Performance. I did some more work like I showed you, and I lost a little bit here, but then I gained up on top. These numbers here, they're gonna get fixed up after my valve job. I have not done a valve job yet on the exhaust or the intake. Flows really well. 212 at 5, 244 at 7, 253 at max lift. Right now I'm clamped down. Spark plug in. 2-inch pipe. I'm at 900 plus lift. Let's try at level 5. Let's see, makes a difference. Like I was explaining, level 4 on the exhaust is good for 313, and level 5 is good for 461. You don't want to be too far away from the max because it's going to show low, and you don't want to be too close to the maximum because it's going to show high. So the correct level for this is level 4. See, this is a tool, and if you don't understand how to use the tool, then basically you're lying to yourself.